whole point of Tech Sisters is to say, we see you, you're not alone. We have a whole community of women who are in a very similar position to you, who have the same values, who are coming from very similar backgrounds. We have sisters in our community who have achieved career success, who have reached a level of VP or director, or started their own companies without having to sacrifice their identity or their values.
Find your niche within the Ummah, protect and grow it. For all of you in this room here today, I am a firm believer that every individual, Muslim or non-Muslim, has something to give back to society. And there's a niche that each and every one of us has where we can impact society at large.
Yeah. So Lunar Flow is an application that helps women track their periods and feel better during them. The user receives religious and positive reminders through notification, which helps her feel better when she has her periods.
We are the creators of the Together app. The app helps Muslim women find events in Muslim communities and help them connect with like-minded sisters, whether they're halakas or hikes, book clubs, or child-friendly events.
Tazkir is a Quran memorization app specifically designed for the Muslim woman to strengthen her Quran memorization.
This was the prototype of our app. The 3 pages, these are the attributes included, and this would be the options available to all the users.
Iqra AI is an AI chatbot that is designed to converse with the user, allowing the user to learn Quranic Arabic verses, including the tafsir.
Halal reels and reads. A web app that allows Muslims to write reviews on halal books and movies.
I've had to work with men in solo as a software engineer throughout my tech career, and it's just so refreshing to virtually sit in a room with incredible women with so much talent all under the same roof. I'm just so proud